Last year, we created the CZUR scanner, our second campaign on Indiegogo, and you loved it. We created a community of over 20,000 backers and 150,000 users around the world. And we scanned everything. Now we're back with a scanner like you've never seen before. This is the CZUR Shine Ultra. Our new, super portable, adjustable scanner with our most advanced tech yet. With 13 full-sized megapixels and 340 dpi, which means you get superior quality scans every time. The CZUR Shine Ultra features the patented Curve-Flatten technology, which means you can scan anything, and it will give you absolutely flat scans, with colors that are more vivid than ever before. But where the CZUR Shine really shines is how it makes scanning simple. It's completely powered by your laptop, so no extra cables needed. It recognizes more than 180 languages. It's super fast, whether you need to scan one document or 100. With the blazing speed of scanning one page each second. And it's super portable. Carry it with you in your backpack and you have the power to scan on the go anywhere. And the CZUR Shine is also capable of recording video while scanning, so you can use it in your presentations. And the adjustable height ensures that you catch the smallest details. We've worked hard on perfecting the most portable and advanced scanner yet. Back us and be the first to enjoy the CZUR Shine Ultra.